Hello friend, today I will be explain how to disable your touch screen driver or touch screen in Ubuntu. First of all, you need to be open your terminal. You need to be install an application named Alacarte. Type sudo apt-get install Alacarte. Type your password. I have already installed Alacarte. Here you need to be type xinput and search for your touch system. Here is my touch system, Radium touch system. Maybe in your case it may different. And here is touch system ID is equal to 10. Open your Alacarte. Click on new item, give a name, and write a command xinput space disable 10. 10 is my touch screen and touch driver ID. Here is my ID is equal to 10, touch system ID. Click on OK. Open your Twix. Click on startup application. Click on add. Search for disable touch. Here is disable touch. Click on it and tap on add, and touch disable script is add in your startup application. When your Ubuntu will be reboot, its script will be automatically execute and disable your touch screen driver. Thanks for watching.